switch that camera mode. Yeah. All right, let's get it. Yeah. See. We got some upgrade going on here. This one ain't done. Be done for a minute. 16 and a half minutes. Actually, more than a minute. Cheap joke. 7 and some change. So it looks like it's time to do some farming. Is that what we're doing? Yeah, we're doing farming because I'm farming. I need to really level up before I even go back to the main missions, because it's like, shoot, I'm messing around with the same shotgun that I had from the tier 1 missions and the tier 2 missions, and I've gotten this far with that same weapon. So yeah, but this weapon is weird because it's like a tier 1/tier 2 weapon. So, and I'm still doing just fine, obviously. So I'm just gonna keep on pushing with this weapon, and I'm gonna max it all the way out. So let's get it in, get it cracking. Get it in, get it cracking. Kill all the zombies. Yeah, I know how to do that. Man, I want some pancakes. I just thought about that. I want some pancakes. One of the smartest things you can do as a truck driver, and this is anybody listening to not even thinking about it. One of the smartest things you can do as a road operator, or as I like to call myself, best things you can do and smartest things you can do for yourself is cook as much as you can on your truck. Yeah, you might have to make an initial investment to get all your stuff, your pots, your pans, burner, all these things, but I promise you on the back end you'll see so much savings and money coming back to your house that you would otherwise be spending on the road. Okay, so check the math, right? This and plus the industry has changed so much, things are just getting more and more expensive. Out of energy, so all you gonna give me is this, for real? And tuna don't sound like that. Alright, so I'm gonna chill. Let me just chill for just a quick second. It's story time with Hub. So check the math, right? As a truck driver, no matter what you're doing, you're hungry, you gotta eat. You gotta eat to survive. You gotta eat to live. Eat and drink. Water. Just gotta specify nowadays. Anyways, so you gotta eat and you gotta drink water. Now let's talk about meals only. Just meals. Just food, actual food. Meals to fill you up. Sustenance, food for your body, all that good stuff, right? To eat a decent meal. Now, I'm not saying, when I say a decent meal, I'm not saying a smorgasbord and all this crazy. Just a decent meal. A decent meal, you're talking about $10 on the road. Okay? And we're not talking about all that fast food junk and all that. Because, yeah, you could go fast food wise and, get you a decent meal for $6 to $8. So, you know what? Hey, let's say, forget it. Let's throw the decent meal out the way. We're gonna go with the bare necessities. Let's say you want just a meal from, whatever, McDonald's, Burger King, Carl's Jr., Hardee's, whatever you've got, that's in the truck stops in your area, Okay, so you go there, you get you the most basic meal, let's say for $6, right? Now, you gotta eat 3 times a day. So let's multiply that $3 that's $6 times 3. That then becomes $18, okay? Then we take that $18 and then we're gonna multiply that times what? We'll say the 7. So the 18 times, crap, I can't do all this right now. It's too early. Alright, so 18, let's see, 36 and 36, that's, 36 and 36, that's 72, and 2,000. Alright, so basically it comes out to about $30,000, right? you spending on food. So you spending $30,000 worth of food, pretty much per week on food. So moral of the story is, make sure you get what you need to cook in your truck. Let's turn some more lights on up in here. Can I get some light? What was that? Can I get some more light? Okay. Oh, that's better. Yeah. All right. More light. Your veil are loose. Yeah. Let's get it cracking. Come on, agile. Yeah. Like getting their head though. No pun whatsoever. No pun. Okay, sorry about that. Having a little technical difficulties there. I don't know how all that happened and how it came to be, but it did. But I'm back now. So yeah, it's got made another upgrade, so I'm gonna go ahead and get that. Bop. Yeah. Upgrade city. Okay. Got that cracking. Oh, really? I got that going, which that's about to get maxed out in 5 minutes. No point in using up them. I don't have enough to really do anything else with right now, so I just need to go ahead and I'm gonna use this last one here, right here, and then I'm gonna get out of here. So, yeah, hit this real quick. Last little piece of energy. Make it count. Oh! Can't see. That is crucial. They get too close. Get down. Oh, I got time for that. It's blast and smash. All day, every day. By myself. Playing the game. In my hand. In the morning. It's still dark. I did push-ups. Hit my punching bag. You ready to go night-night? Everybody go night-night. Sure. Oh snap, I got one energy. Get out of here. They gave me 1 energy again. Let's go. And I'm doing it. Doing it well. I was hoping a steel zombie would have popped out. That would have been fun. But no steel zombie, so I guess it is what it is. That's just the way it is. Alright, well, I'm out of energy. And I'm about to, matter of fact, I got to get to my training class. And I'm about to make me some pancakes before I go. So, signing out. Your boy Hub City. Don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe. And whenever you playing video games, always blast and smash. I'm out. Peace.